Okay, so welcome back, friends. Now we are going to talk about the dependency of the conductivity. Now we have much less that conductance is nothing but to allow to pass through its body to electrons is known as conductance. Now this conductance depends on which factor, that is known as dependency of the conductivity. Okay, the conductance depends on the following factor of any conductance. Three points are there. The nature of the substance. We can divide on the base of the this conductivity substance into three parts. One, they are good conductor, they are slow conductor, semiconductor, or they are insulator. Okay, ये are the bad conductor. આમ આપણે કંડક્ટર સેમિકન્ડક્ટર અને ઇન્સ્યુલેટરમાં આ ત્રણ પોર્શનમાં આપણે કોઈ પણ એને ડિવાઈડ કરી શકીએ છીએ બીકોઝ વાય યુ નો કે કંડક્ટિવિટી જે છે એ કેટલાક થ્રુ આઉટ જવા દે, કેટલાક નહીં જવા દે અને કેટલાક થોડા થોડા જવા દે. That's depends on the temperature. On increase the temperature, the conductivity of good conductors decreases while the conductivity of the semiconductor increases. So this topic you have to remember very harshly કે ભાઈ conducting material decreases their conductivity on increase of temperature, while the semiconductors increase their conductivities. Okay, on the base of temperature, pressure. When pressure is applied and with pressure when the electron goes, always the conductivity increase. So that is our basic idea of the now electrical conductors. Now conducting in this theory we are going to talk about in two parts. One part is nothing but you know now that one part. What is the one part? The one part is nothing but the conductance by electron and another one part is conductance by the ion. So now here we have divided these into two portions. One portion is the electrical conductors and another one is the ionic conductors. So first we will look at the electrical conductor. So the key of metal is called electrical conductance or metallic conductor. Conductivity of metals is called either electrical conductors or metallic conductors. Why? Because this is done due to the electrons. That's why it is known as electrical conductor. It occurs due to the movement of electrons. Movements. If electron go one place to another place, then this is known as the electrical conductivity. It depends on the following factors. Which four factors are there? The nature of matter. Just we have. If nature is good, that means they are allowing the electrons to pass through it. They are good conductor, but they are not able to allow. They are bad conductor. So nature. Structure of metal. Yes, it is also very important. Sometimes two metals are similar, but structure is different. Okay, see here we can talk about the structure. Structure are simple. Copper structure is the cubical structure, while some structures are linear structure. So cubical structure more allowed the electrons, and that's why copper might be maybe the more conductor of electricity. Number of valence electron. Now this is the more interesting, because if we talk about the conductivity, see this is one valence electrons group and this is conductivity group. See the difference. If here more electron come here and they conduct the electricity. More one electron come. Two electron come. Three electron come. More electron, more conductivity. That's all in this topic. The numbers of valence electrons, more conductivity will occur. Next point, temperature. Inverse relation, just we have talked about. Increase the temperature, decrease the conductivity, but depends on the conductor. We are talking about here only conductor. The structure of metal does not change due to the conductance. તમને એમ થાય ને કે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન નીકળી ગયો તો આ મેટલ બદલાઈ જશે, બટ નો ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, metal બદલાતી નથી. With the conductivity, no change occurs in the metal. Why there is no change occur in the metals? Because from one side electron will enter and from other side they will go. એક બાજથી આવશે બીજી બાજથી જશે એનો કોઈ ફરક પડતો નથી. So that's why this is our remembrance that there will be no change into the structure of the electron. So hope that these electrical conductance, you know, it is only theoretical, and the next portion is ionic conductor. Now we all know that even very pure water has small amount of hydrogen and hydroxyl ions, that you know 10 raised to minus 7 in 11th standard 7 lesson in equilibrium we have studied કે hydrogen અને hydroxyl ion. Now what your knowledge hydrogen and hydroxyl ion? આ હાઇડ્રોજન છે અને હાઇડ્રોક્સિલ આયન્સ બધાને યાદ છે ને કે ભૂલી ગયા કે otherwise I have to show. Okay, see here H plus, that is known as hydrogen ion. You know that કે H plus ને આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ? Hydrogen ion તરીકે we are using the word. Okay, it is nothing but the hydrogen ion. Okay, so hope that you understand. Any doubt for that? And you also know about the OH minus ion. Okay, so OH minus ion is nothing but the OH and minus ions. Okay, so in your knowledge કે ભાઈ OH minus ion પણ હોય છે. So these all are there. So H plus and OH minus ions are there, and they have total conductivity 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 5 Siemens per meter. That is the conductivity units, you know. When the electrolytes are dissolved in water, now why these conductivities occur? Ionic conductivity. So ionic conductivity is by ionic conductors. Ions જેટલા હોય એટલી conductivity હોય. So when electricity are dissolved in water, electrolytes એટલે જે ions separate થાય ને, what is electrolytes? So when they are added into the water, they separate into the ions, is known as electrolytes. So when electrolytes are dissolved in water, they furnish their own ions in the solution, hence its conductivity also increase. પહેલા H plus અને OH minus તો હતું જ, પણ એનાથી conductivity કેટલી હતી? Very less હતી. કેટલી હતી? તો you can see કે ભાઈ આ conductivity ફક્ત અને ફક્ત 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 5 Siemens per meter inverse હતી. પણ જ્યારે એને અંદર ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ્સ લાખીએ એટલે એના આયન્સ પણ અંદર આવે છે, અને એ આયન્સ અંદર આવતા એની કંડક્ટિવિટીમાં ઇન્ક્રીઝન જોવા મળે છે. The conductance of the electricity by ions present in the solution is called electrolytic, ionic or the ionic conductance. So now here we have definition of ionic conductance. Ionic conductance કોને કહેવાય? કે the conductivity of electricity occurs due to the ions present in the solution is known as ionic conductivity. So hope that you understand this topic. Now we are moving on the factors affecting on the ionic conductivity. Dear students, the following factors are the affecting on the ionic conductivity. And which factor? The conductivity of electrolytic, that is ionic solution, depends on following base. First, it is nature of the electrolytes. જે ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ લાખ્યો છે એ એકદમ આયન છૂટા પાડી શકે છે કે નથી છૂટા પાડી શકતો, એના પરથી આપણે એને ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ્સને ડિવાઇડ કરીશું સ્ટ્રોંગ ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ અને વીક ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ્સ. સ્ટ્રોંગ ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ્સ બધા આયન છૂટા પાડી નાખે, જ્યારે વીક ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ્સના આયન છૂટા પડતા નથી. સો ધેટ્સ ડિપેન્ડ્સ ઓન ધ strong electrolytes added or weak electro, that is the nature. Size of the ions produced on their solvation. હવે આ જે સોલ્વેશન થયું એટલે કે ડિસોલ્યુશન થાય છે ત્યારે આયન્સ બને છે. સોડિયમનો આયન નાનો હોય તો કેલ્શિયમનો આયન મોટો હોય, લિથિયમનો આયન એનાથી નાનો, તો લેડનો આયન સૌથી મોટો હોય. તો આવી રીતે જેમ આયન્સ મોટા હશે તો જેમ આયન મોટા હશે તો એ લોકો પુશ વધારે કરતા હોય, તો તેના ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ હશે કંડક્ટિવિટી. ધ નેચર ઓફ ધ સોલ્વન્ટ એન્ડ ઇટ્સ વેલોસિટી. ઓકે, હવે એને નાખીએ ત્યારે એ જે સોલ્વન્ટ જે છે એ સોલ્વન્ટ કેટલા ફ્લોથી કોને જવા દે અંદર, જે આયન્સ ડેવલપ થયા હોય તેને. એ જો વિસ્કોસિટી વધારે હોય, વિસ્કોસિટી એટલે જાડું વધારે હોય, તો તે ના જવા દે, હે ને? એટલે ધેટ્સ વાય ઇટ ડિપેન્ડ્સ ઓન ધ નેચર ઓફ ધ સોલ્વન્ટ. કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ઓફ ધ ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ્સ. હવે તમે નાખેલું 1 ગ્રામ નાખ્યું, 2 ગ્રામ નાખ્યું, 5 ગ્રામ નાખ્યું, એના ઉપરથી અંદર આયન્સ ડેવલપ જુદા જુદા થાય. ધેટ્સ વાય કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ઓફ ધ આયન્સ. નાઉ ટેમ્પરેચર, that is, now here you have to look out. With the increase in temperature, the conductivity also increase. So that is, you have to remember કે conductivity temperature ના increase સાથે થાય છે. Now here I have given difference for you, so you can read this difference and now do further more. Okay, best luck.